I said, if you make it to the end, we do. If we don't, we don't. All right. Sounds good.
There.
Well, let me see how far we can make it. Take it.
Has he got a camera?
Yeah.
I do see him looking out his side mirrors a lot too, though.
Yeah. He's trying to keep his mouth off. What do you think, Steve?
Oh, I think it looks great.
You're good out there? Pull my head. I don't get it. Pull my head. Good. Stop.
Need more concrete coming out, don't you? I think he still has quite a bit in there, doesn't he?
My order's long. It's not quite. All right, pull my head. There you go. Got him off. Yes, we do.
Oh yeah, you do.